This is the No-No song, written in 1974 by Hoyt, Axton, and David Jackson, made famous by Ringo Starr and Hoyt, Axton, and others. I play it capoed up here on the 2nd fret. Everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I say I'm playing a C, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a D. This is a 1-4-5 in the key of C, so I'll play a C, an F, and a G. At the beginning of the song and in between the verses, they play something like this. It's a C chord with an E as your melody. It's a G chord with a D as your melody. It's a G7th chord with an F as your melody. And then it's a C chord with an E as your melody. I play it an octave lower, just 2 strings at a time. I play this C chord, the C and the E note, and then this G chord, which is a G and a D, and then this G7th chord, but I don't play the G note, I just play the 4th and 5th strings, so I play the B and the F, and then the last chord is a C chord, but it's a C chord with a G bass, so I'm playing the G and the E note. So it's an octave higher is throughout the song. I try to play an alternating bass to keep the timing. For the C chord, I'll play the C and the G note. And the melody there is starting on the 4th string. And that's E, 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 D, D, E, F, A, G, E. So with the alternating bass. It moves to this F chord, and you play the 3rd string and 2nd string, and then with the 2nd alternating bass, so it's a D, C, B, A, and back down to the C. And when you get down to the C, then you hit the alternating G in the bass, but there's no melody with that. So up till now we have for this next C part, you just walk up, starting on the 5th string, walk up the C chord. And then it's an E, D, C. You hit the C before you hit this bass note. You go back to the F, starting with the D is your melody. And then you move to a G chord. And that's a B, 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 A, G, F, E, D, and back to the C chord. So this whole first part is and it moves to the no, no, no chorus part, and that starts off with a C. You're continuing your alternating bass with the G note. And the melody is C, 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 B, A, then you're hitting an E note for your melody and with the G in your bass. And then staying on your C chord, which is an E, 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 D, E, which brings you to your G chord, playing your third string G note as your melody, and then staying on the G chord. And that melody is a B, A, and then A, E, D, D, C, back to the C chord. And then you go back to the beginning part. Or an octave higher. The whole chorus part looks like this.